2.5 billion people don't have a toilet, and 4.1 billion people don't have proper treatment. That means the difference between 4.1 and 2.4 that have toilet, after they flush, it goes directly to the river, no treatment. That's also very bad. So in this case, thousands of children die every day because they have low resistance to all these diseases. So what we don't discuss, we cannot improve. So this is the way to discuss. I figure out that if you want to talk about something that is a taboo, you use the media. But the media is interested not about your story. We tend to feel very discouraged. But if you look at problem as fun or boring, you become very encouraged. So the more difficult, the more fun. The more easy, the more boring. When you are playing computer game, do you stop at level 1 and play again and again? Which is the level that you enjoy the most? Is when you couldn't defeat the monster or finish all your bullets or life, and you start again. That's the most fun. So the lack of public infrastructure is the problem and the challenge and the fun. The bureaucrats' indifference is also a big challenge, and therefore fun. When you are able to discover that inside the government there are also very nice people, then you get lucky that day, and then you work with those very nice people. And there is the other one who is almost falling asleep when you're talking to him, then you don't talk to him. So there is all kind of people. The infrastructure, you cannot build pipe toilets, pipe sewer system, because it costs hundreds of millions of dollars, and most developing countries do not have such budget. So the on-site treatment toilet is very easy. Composting toilet, biogas toilet, wetlands, things that are